Hi friends, welcome to Math Edge Trading. Today I'm going to discuss best intraday strategy for based on the mathematics as well as on the statistics. Correct? I will discuss the Nifty, Bank Nifty and one or two stock. So I have put a Bollinger Band RSI. Two indicator only I am using, not more indicator. My motto: less indicator accuracy should be maximum above 90%. See there. When the price will touch lower here, then you have to in, and a stop loss should be this one. Correct? And see here also RSI also here. Correct? And when price will touch the upper band, you have to book your profit. This is the buy. Correct? Come to the Bank Nifty. See here. Price is going to be touched lower band, you have to in. Correct? And price when it will touch the upper band, you have to out. A stop loss should be down. Correct? And see there. This is the best strategy. This strategy will be always work. And one more thing you have to keep in the mind. See, when open SQs will be there, SQs, this type, then this type, then you have to enter the market, then you will get more profit. Okay, it is a sideways you will not get the more profit, but open SQs you will get the more profit. Why I am going to discuss this one, Bollinger Band, because Bollinger Band only gives the, this is the plus, this is the plus standard deviation, this is okay, and this is the minus standard deviation. This is the plus and this is the minus, plus 2 and minus 2. Okay, so in minus 2 you have to in this, and plus 2 you have to out. Okay, see here. See why I tell the skews. See, when going to a skews, see there how the profit will come. Just you open, just you take the book the profit and out. Correct. Now come to the stock. Any stock you take, like BTC USD you take. Correct. In the intraday, see here. RSI 15 minutes. Correct. Here RSI is there. Now here you see. When it touch the upper band, then you sell. And when it touch the lower band, you are trying to touch, you are also touch. Just you have to book the profit and out. Correct. Now come to the buy signal. I show you the buy signal in the BTC USD. See here. Skews means like when chart will be like that. This type don't buy or sell. When chart will come this type, then you buy or sell. See here. Just you in the market here. Correct. And book the profit here. How many points? Correct. Understand? Okay. So this is the best strategy based on the mathematics, intraday strategy. Okay. So thank you. Please subscribe and like my channel. Then I will take more and more video for